Welcome to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning oo. How to write oo? Draw like the number 3 and draw a tail from the middle as shown here. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Now we have learned oo. Now let us learn some words which begins with the letter oo. Oont, camel, Bilal, otter, oon, wool, so we have learned oont, camel, Bilal, otter, and oon, wool. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos and subscribe to our channel.